Welcome to the channel, where we dive into the biggest financial trends and untold truths. Today, we're uncovering the shocking reality about CBDCs, Central Bank Digital Currencies, and how they could change money as we know it. Could this mean the end of cash? Let's find out. CBDCs are digital versions of money issued and controlled by central banks. Unlike decentralized cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, CBDCs are centralized, meaning one entity, the government, has total control over your digital currency. Imagine your money, fully tracked and regulated by the state. But what makes CBDCs so different from the cash we use every day? Well, the main change is the way it operates. With paper cash, it's physical. You control how, when, and where you spend it. But digital currency? It's all online, and that means your government or central bank could have complete visibility into your transactions. Sounds convenient, right? But here's where it gets tricky. The key advantage of CBDCs is that they make payments faster, cheaper, and more secure. Everything happens in real time, and they eliminate the need for middlemen like banks. But this convenience comes with major privacy concerns. Imagine every purchase you make, from your morning coffee to a new pair of shoes, is being tracked by the government. There's no anonymity in a world where all your transactions are on a centralized ledger. In theory, governments could even freeze your funds, or stop certain transactions from taking place. No more cash under the mattress or in your wallet, just full digital control. With cash, if you're in a tight spot, you can always access your physical money. But in a world of CBDCs, access to your funds could depend on the decisions of the government or central bank. Imagine a scenario where your access to money could be restricted because of a political issue, a tax issue, or even just a glitch in the system. And it's not just about control, it's also about convenience. With CBDCs, governments could implement automatic transactions, such as direct stimulus payments, tax deductions, or even giving you money based on your social activity or spending patterns. But in exchange for that convenience, you lose financial freedom and autonomy. So, is this the end of cash? Will CBDCs replace everything we know about money? The answer is, we're not quite there yet, but we're heading in that direction. Several countries have already begun experimenting with CBDCs, and China's digital yuan is leading the charge. If it succeeds, other nations are likely to follow suit. CBDCs could bring benefits like faster international transactions and more efficient ways for governments to provide financial aid. But there's a darker side: the potential loss of privacy, autonomy, and the very concept of cash itself. If we rely too heavily on digital currencies, we may be giving up control over our financial lives. And with that power comes risks. Central banks could influence inflation, interest rates, and even decide what people can and can't buy. We could be entering a future where your spending decisions are heavily monitored and controlled, leaving little room for personal financial freedom. So, is CBDC the end of cash? While we may not see cash disappear tomorrow, the future of money is undoubtedly changing. What does this mean for you? Well, it's time to stay informed, adapt to new technologies, and make sure you're ready for what's coming. If you want to stay ahead in the world of digital currencies and other financial trends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got more valuable insights coming your way.